Mercutio! Mercutio! Why did you do that to him? Where are you? Stop this, bro! Not happen again!
Daganay!
Stop this chaos! It should not happen again!
I demand to the Montague and Capulet to stop this fight, and I want you all to promise me that this should not happen again. Miss Jane, I want you to send this message to all people. That is our relevance, and tell them that they are all invited to the party tonight.
Yes, Your Highness, I will. Excuse me, Romeo and Benilio. Can you please read it to me? I can't understand the letters and names.
We must ruin the party. It sucks.
Rosalind has invited too. I must enter the party tonight.
Thank you, sir.
Look at that, Romeo. There are so many beautiful ladies.
Wait, I was only looking for Rosalind, my only loved one. Excuse me, senorita. May I know your name?
Hey, don't you dare, you bitch!
No, you'll ruin the party. You must stay calm. I need some fresh air. Excuse me.
You're so beautiful, senorita. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
It's Juliet. Her eyes shining like a moon in a beautiful night. Juliet! Juliet!
Wherefore are you, Romeo? Deny thy name and refuse thy name. Oh, it's Romeo.
Juliet, I love you since the day we've met.
Oh, really? I feel the same way too.
Will you be my girlfriend?
I would love to. Yes.
Hey, Lawrence.
Yes. Romeo, do you still remember Rosalind?
No, I forgot her name, and I already moved on. I have a new one. Juliet, my beautiful Juliet.
Ah, you move on so fast, Romeo.
I will marry her.
Sure, I will arrange the marriage, Romeo.
Thank you a lot, Fair Lawrence. Fair, I am ready for the wedding.
Listen, Romeo, you only love Rosalind for a few weeks. You can't do that to Juliet. You must love her for the rest of your life.
Yes, Fair, I understand. I will love her more than you think.
Good.
Well, I remember you. Where's Romeo, huh? She took my girl.
Just accept the truth that Juliet loves Romeo more than you.
Oh, let's see.
What's happening here?
Mercutio! Mercutio!
Why did you do that to him?
No, stop, Romeo! No, this is not happening. Romeo! Romeo!
Excuse me,
Yes?
I would like to buy some potions.
What? That's illegal.
Just once, please.
Okay, but please be careful. It's dangerous.
Juliet, my love, you're the most beautiful woman I know. I fell in love with you the day I saw you. Why did they do this to you? I love you, my Juliet. I hope you will forgive me if I do this.
Romeo! Romeo! Wake up! I'm here!
You're so beautiful, senorita. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
It's Juliet. Her eyes shining like a moon in a beautiful night.
Wherefore are you, Romeo? Deny thy name and refuse thy name.
Juliet! Juliet! Juliet!
1, 2, 3, go!
Die!